YouTube, wagwan, Damien the Barber, back again with another video. Today we've got basically a copy of the KEMEI 1971, but just with a cheaper price. Very cheap. We're talking just under 16 English pounds for this. So, quick look at the packaging. There's a little description there. We've got a 2-hour charge time, USB connector, high performance lithium battery, and a 5-volt, 5-watt power. Telling you there what you get inside the box as well. Very simple packaging. That box. Morel. I don't even know, like. So, the reason I went for this particular trimmer was, first of all, then the KEMEI version of this has the power button at the bottom. This one, although it doesn't have the USB-C charging, which is what I was hoping, has this discharge slot, but it's still USB. But they've moved the power button to the front of the clipper, which I prefer, because most of my tools, all of my tools actually, which I just took a quick look at, have the power button on the front. So to just keep it simple, I wanted to make sure that the power button was where I'm used to having the power button placement on all of my tools. So I'm not, having to reach to the bottom and so on. I saw that on some other clipper reviews about the 1971. So I thought, you know what, let me see what else has been done to improve that model. So stumbled across this. It's actually cheaper as well than the KEMEI 1971. And on top of that, you also get this LCD display, which tells you how much power you've got left. I like that. It's also got 2 speeds, which it doesn't actually mention on the box. It doesn't say that anyway. But yeah, we get 2 speeds. So press it once, turns on, gives you your battery remaining time. Press it again, it goes down a gear. Press it again and it turns off. Quick sound check. The T9, there we go, we'll call it the T9. T9, nice and easy, the T9 trimmer. See what else is in the box. Got the USB charger, USB-A to the shaver connector, which just goes straight into the bottom here. Great, because I can charge this up anywhere. I can take it home with me if I want to do my own personal shaving, if I'm going on holiday. Great, I like that. And some guards. 4 guards, little brush, and a little booklet to tell you what's going on. The reason I bought this was because my trusty Andis Slimline Lithium Pro, I love this, like feels like a pencil. Remember when this first came out and wow, this was my go-to. And then I think I got hold of the skeleton with the GTX, and then that was it. It was over for this. But it still served its purpose because it was quiet, it was small, I could use it on kids, and it's just nice, and you can get it into, for moustache areas around the ears, and it's just got that nice kind of balance, it's well balanced, and it's just a really good trimmer. But couple of things I didn't like about it, first of all, was the fact that the stand it came with, you had to put it in and it didn't, just float in the stand. I had to stick the stand down so that I could charge it up. That was kind of minor at the time, because once I stuck it down, I just stuck it down and forgot about it. Then, so the battery started not holding its charge anymore. So, as you can see, it's starting to sound a bit tired. I'll probably count to 20 and it will be dead. There you go. So just my thumb on the blade has killed it, it's dead. So it's not holding the charge anymore. So I thought, let me try and look for a battery, which I probably won't find in the UK. Probably hard to find, but I have to try and import one from America and then pay the import tax and everything else on top. So then I thought, hold on a minute, these blades are pretty much the same. Saw a couple of YouTube videos, some other barbers have put this Andis blade on the KEMEI 1971. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try a thing. You know me, I like to modify stuff. I'll put the link in the description. I'm gonna show you how to put this blade on there. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Damien the Barber, signing out. Peace.